We will now see one of the most important search. We'll now search based on the sections. Click the search link on top of our web page, wherein you'll get the drop down and you can search the case reports based on the section. You can see the section icon here highlighted. Please follow the pointer. Single click onto that icon and you'll get the sections search panel. For example, let me select the GSTR journal and we will now select the corresponding act. Let me select one of the act here. For example, I have selected Maharashtra Goods and Services Tax Act 2017. And you can select the respective section. For example, I am selecting 25th section here and then click search. You'll get the specified case report based on this act and this section. Click onto it to see the case report here. As you can see, the sections and the act is getting highlighted in the output panel of the case report. We'll now do another section. Click the drop down of the sections here and we can select another section now. For example, I'm selecting 67th section on the same act and you can see the selection here on the top changed to 67. You click search and you can see the corresponding case here in the result panel. Click on it to see the output in the output panel. We'll do one more section search based on the same act. As told before, click the drop down here of the section. Let me select another section. For example, I am selecting 97th section and you can see the sections selected here as 97. Click search and you can see 3 records here based on this section of the same act. Let me click to one of the result here. And as usual, you can see the case report in the output panel, wherein the section is getting highlighted. To change the act and search, click reset. Let me now select another act, which is usually based on the state and other acts as well highlighted. Let me select Tamil Nadu Goods and Services Tax Act 2017. We'll do similar search as we have done earlier with other act. For example, let me select the 15th section here and click search. You'll get a result here. Clicking on to that result, you'll get the case report in the output panel. Similarly, if you want to search for another section in the same act, click the drop down and click the respective section. For example, I'm selecting 18th and then click search, and you'll get the result in the result panel. Clicking onto it will expand and show you the case report in the output panel. I'm selecting another case here in a different section. By selecting a different section directly in the same act, you can obtain the result based on that section in the same act. Clicking on to that result here, you can see the case report in the output panel. For changing the act and doing a search, please do click reset so that we can change the act here and search accordingly. Thank you.